So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and a lot of you are facing issue while registering and just claiming the credits in the GenAI Academy APAC edition. So I'll cover this query in this particular video. So for those people who don't know about GenAI Academy APAC edition, what is it? So it is a no-cost learning program. We'll learn about different skills. For example, in cohort 1, we learned about data, AI ML, AI agents, and much more. In cohort 2, we are learning about AI assisted data science and agentic data analysis. Okay, similarly, we'll be having cohort 3 and grand hackathon. So, here we'll be learning all things and having practical hands on experience. Now, coming to the query directly that a lot of you are facing, that some of you have registered in cohort 1, and when you click on dashboard here, instead of cohort 2, cohort 1 details are showing. So, what you need to do, first of all, you have to click on it. Okay, how to click? Let me just show you. Here you can see, just click like this, go to cohort 2. From here, mostly in my case it's showing dashboard. You have to simply click on register if it is showing and sign in with the same account with which you have participated in cohort 1. Okay, you have to just sign in directly. In case you are unable to sign in, just click on this and then just clear your browser cache and history, then try to register or sign in over here. Once you are signed in, you'll find all the details over here. Now whatever tracks you have selected, the data will be shown over here. For example, I selected professional track during the registration process. If you have selected student track, student details will be there. Now coming over here to the second query, that a lot of you are having queries regarding the credits, that how to get the credits. So for getting the credits, what you need to do, you have to come to the form section. Okay. So in the form section, you have to enter your email with which you have registered in this particular program and share your skills public profile over here. Now, how I'll find the skills profile? You have to come to skills.google.com, simply sign in or create account in case you don't have. I've already mentioned all the things. I'll show you the resource guide also. First of all, let me just explain you. So once you are signed in, you have to go to the settings option. From there, just scroll down, and here, if your account is recently created, chances are there your profile might not be public. You have to click on this checkbox and update the settings. Once you get this URL, just right click, copy the link address, come back over here, paste it, submit, and just click on submit over here. Right. Once you have submitted, after 24 to 48 hours, you'll be getting action needed, claim your learning credits. From there you can claim the credits. Now how to claim the credits? Very simple. If you just come over here, I've covered everything in detail. Let me just show you. I'll attach the playlist link also, like GenAI Academy. So here we have the playlist, complete playlist. Okay, so I'll attach the playlist link in the description. From there you can watch it, how to claim the credits. Also here also I think the video is there. You can see over here that claims Google Skills Credits. So how to claim it, I have shared here also. Okay, one more important thing, if your credits are not working even after trying multiple times, you can just reach out to this particular support. Right, you can just reach out to this particular support and mention your query that you are unable to get the credits. You can just share a screen recording or images, then you'll be able to get the credits completely free of cost, and then you'll be able to complete the challenges. If you are interested in other events also, like GenAI Academy APAC Edition, like we have the voucher challenges, like different 5 coding challenges, internships, you can just check out the channel. We have covered everything over here. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.